Well, hey you guys, welcome back to another episode of the Canning Nana, and this is my gardening video. So this year, you guys know that I have not been doing a whole lot because of my back. Taken a couple falls. It's not been great, but I'm hanging in there. So this is my garden for right now. I do have some stuff in the garden, but I want to show you what I have here. And this is my tomato plant. These are cherry husky tomatoes, and I've been getting a ton of tomatoes off of here. Really, really cool. I love these tomatoes. I eat tomatoes every day with my avocado toast. You guys know that. Here's some more. These, I'm barefoot out here in this hot. It's very, very hot. Here's some really cool tomatoes. These are not beefsteak. Oh, I can't remember what they're called. I'd have to look it up. But they're really cool. They're really good. They are juicy and they get about the size of my palm. Two really good ones there. And we have some basil here and basil on the other side. Some more tomatoes, and then we have some more tomatoes right here in there. This is like a little dwarf plant. It's a patio container tomato plant that's not going to get any bigger. It's just going to stay that way. Okay, and here's another one that I just got. This one is called Little Napoli, and there are Roma-like tomatoes in there. This one is going to be, whoops, oh goodness. That's my pepper plant. This one is, if I can get it out, this is a sun gold tomato. And then we're gonna come over here to my strawberries. Now I had a bunch of strawberries on here and this darn possum kept eating all my strawberries. And then we have, oh, this is hot, zucchini, some more tomatoes, some more strawberries down here, and tomatoes, some more tomatoes. Okay, so there are wasps back here, so I can't walk all the way back here. There are two grape bushes, grapevines back here, and then back here, I've got to take all of that. All of that is because of all the rain we got. And there's all kinds of bees and wasps and all kinds of things back here. My husband just cleared it all out for this side so that I can plant. But over there I have some beans that I've already picked some beans on. There is a black cherry tomato right about there. There's a husky tomato right there, cherry tomato, and there's some onions. Whoops, some onions right there. There you go. Some oregano, and then this is our orange tree. Let's go this way. This is our orange tree, you guys. So yeah, that is the extent of my garden, at least for this week anyway. I have some more of these containers, a little bit bigger, and I'm going to be planting a lot more stuff in here, and then putting them around the yard. So that's it. So far, usually I have all kinds of stuff, and this year, just because of the way I've been feeling and not being able to do a whole lot, I haven't gotten to do a whole lot of anything. So, but I'm having fun with what I have. My tomatoes, like I said, I pick them every morning. Got to pick tomatoes, basil. So, just wanted to show you guys where I'm at with all this stuff. Thanks for watching. The word of the day today is going to be garden. Please comment garden in the comment section below. In order to win, you must be subscribed. So comment the word of the day. And when you do, you'll get a little key and a little emoji as soon as I see your comment, and that means that you're entered to win. And that goes for any of the videos that you see that are recent in the last 30 days that have the hashtag WOTD. That's word of the day. So I like to give away stuff here on my channel, and I really enjoy this. So something that I do, and you're just going to be picked randomly, the winner, and sent some stuff. So hang in there. I hope you guys are all doing well. Thanks for being patient with me and hanging in there with me. Thank you for all the emails and messages, letting me know that you guys are thinking of me. I really appreciate all of you guys. I really do. All of my channel members, thank you so much. Thank you for supporting the channel in that way. Really appreciate that. it helps me to bring you guys videos, better videos with some more stuff. And we have a lot more stuff coming. I have a lot of products to show you guys, really cool products, and a lot more gardening videos, lots of canning videos to come, and some dehydrating as soon as this humidity stops a little bit. It's just too hot unless I dehydrate overnight. I want to make some sauce too. So got a lot planned. So hopefully you guys will see me soon on a live. We are on path to reach 15,000 subscribers, thanks to all of you. And when we do, we're going to do a huge 15,000 subscriber live giveaway. So make sure that you're subscribed. Share the channel if you would. Get our name out there, get our channel out there. It really helps our the YouTube algorithm to get us out there, and it boosts the channel a lot. Also, if you like traveling, different historical places, amusement parks. I just did a bunch of videos, a bunch of shorts on a Disneyland auction that we went to, where we saw all kinds of really cool Disneyland memorabilia that was all put up for auction. That's over on our travel channel, More Fun Than Sitting at Home. The link is in the description box below. I hope you guys will go over there and support that channel. We're trying to reach 1,000 subscribers. I think we're at like 450, something like that. So yeah, it's just getting started. And once we reach 1,000, we are hoping to take you guys on the road and do a lot more stuff with that channel. I know the canners here don't like to see the travel videos, so we started that new channel, and it's been working out really great. We have a lot of views, but we don't have a lot of subscribers. We have like 89,000 views on one video and only 450 subscribers, you guys. So go over there, please, and please subscribe and help our